What's up and good morning, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Not really doing anything crazy today, but we do have someone stopping in to show up on the channel to buy that truck right there. Was going to use it for parts for that truck right there. Was going to pull the lift pump and stuff off of it and put it on that one because I haven't done any of that work to that truck yet. But fellow YouTuber can use the powertrain out of this truck for a lot better use than what I was going to use it for. So we will get this truck ready to rock and roll and get onto a trailer, and we'll surprise you with who's coming to get it here in just a little bit. We'll catch you later. Well, and there he is. We have Truckmaster himself coming to pick up the wrecked white Duramax. Alright, so Zeth, who is currently running the camera for me at the moment, just informed me when I came out of the shop from filming in there that Truckmaster wants to do a burnout in this thing before we load it up. So, I'm going to air... Do what?
You heard me say that?
Oh, Zeth caught me whenever I came out of the shop.
We're doing a burnout. We're gonna send it.
Let's do it, man.
I'll let you do the honors, because you know, I'll be the cameraman. No, you know what? I want to do the burnout.
Yeah, you do the burnout and we'll film you, man. So we're gonna get this thing aired up here.
Oh, I forgot money.
You forgot money?
Yeah, I forgot the money.
Oh man, it's gonna be a long, empty trip home. We're going to get this thing aired up so that we can take this thing out on the road and send it, man. Yeah, when I did the burnout for you, I only had it in 3. I didn't even put it up in 5. I just left it in economy. And
oh, yeah, buddy.
She just rolled.
Does she roll coal? I
didn't even look, to be honest. I was more worried about the broken glass on top of my hand.
I think that's what every teenager would ask.
Yeah.
Does she roll coal, bro?
I know she will in 5.
Oh, yeah.
So, before Cody wrecked it, and when he was daily driving it back and forth to work, when I rode in it with him, she'd roll coal.
Yeah. The grill's still intact. That's good.
Yeah, there's still some other salvageable stuff on it.
Yeah. Very cool, very cool. Well, I say we fire her up. I'm going to go ahead and let it run for about, 5 minutes or so. Just want to check everything out, maybe 10 minutes, just check the injector balance rates and all that. But the guy did in fact say that it wasn't, the injectors were performance injectors, huh?
Yeah, he told me he was pretty sure they were 50 over, okay, if he remembered right.
But it was the guy that he bought it from that had it done.
Right.
Oh boy.
Yeah, but he said he's known the guy forever and stuff. Yeah. He trusted him enough to buy the truck off of him, so.
Sure, they're buds.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to go through the motor anyways, but how sweet is it, dude? I'm literally swapping this over to another truck. It's not the same gen. I think that's cool.
It is going to be cool. What year truck is it going into?
05.
Nice.
Same one as you, I think. You have an 05, right?
Yep.
Yeah, same one. Actually, same exact truck. Although mine's an extended cab.
I love that crew cab. I mean,
everyone loves a crew cab.
I got 3 kids, and it's way handier to have the crew cab.
Definitely.
Plus hauling tools back and forth, because most of my tools are up at the John Deere shop, so when I do anything here, it's handy to be able to haul the tools and have them inside the cab. We can charge batteries in the shop, too.
No, I actually totally forgot my charger and everything. It's all good. I mean, the phones are good, too.
Oh, yeah.
I love them. They're backup. They're great backups. You know?
Oh, yeah. Alright, we'll fire this thing up, let it run.
Let me get some vid. That's 101, dude. Everything's gotta get on vid, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, let's listen to this LV7.
Got some mud packed in the too, but other than that, got up, walked away from it, a little bit sore.
Yeah. Awesome. So again, guys, we're gonna let it run. I'll hook up my little Audi diag machine real quick. Got all the parameters. Nope. So in the meantime, we can go ahead and get a start. That door still works. It opens and closes for you. The driver door?
No, it's stuck, dude.
It's like Dukes with Hazards stuff.
Dude, I've been falling into that all so.
Mine's all blank out, because that was my that was what I learned how to work on trucks. Right. I've only been helping 7 years. I've done injectors on the thing like 7 times. Really? Yeah, it was like my first time to cruise ever. I actually double
So they did see.
Yeah, I wanted to try. Dude, I was so done, you know, and I spent so much time on that thing. But I think LB7s are the best Duramax. They're so strong. Like, so you have, so basically your block is the same exact block as the LB7.
Right.
And I mean, the only difference obviously is the injectors on the side, but I can literally take your head and put them on this block.
Nice.
Yeah, it's so cool.
You said you found the company to take care of the wiring issue and stuff, being able to do the swap.
Yes and no. He's not getting back with me, but it's okay. I talked to another guy. He just not picking up the
I'll look at the link on my phone when we get to the shop. We've got a guy up at the shop that just did a similar swap on his truck. He's got Dave's is 03 or 04, isn't it? And he just did similar swap using LBZ and LLY both.
Yeah.
BT Diesel Performance or something like that, I think is who he used.
Right.
He sent me a link yesterday. I was talking to him about it knowing you were coming today. Still all muddy from where I'd been parking the Duramax in here.
Right. Man, oh man. My dad used to have one, and I loved it. It was one of the official case cars.
Oh yeah. That car, I remember going and getting that car with my dad when I was like 10 years old.
Yeah.
And I learned how to drive a manual on that car. I learned how to turn a wrench on this thing. First burnout, everything. Wow. Everything was this car, and now it's mine. So
you got some toys.
yeah, That one is the cooler of the two, but this one is significantly the faster of the two.
Oh, I bet. That's sweet.
Yeah, that car is pretty crazy quick. There's like no weight to it at all.
White's your favorite color, huh?
Well, it just kind of landed that
Kinda
way.
happens.
Yeah, it just kind of landed that way.
Yeah. It's a pretty sweet car, man.
It's got 373 rear end in it right now, but I've got a set of 410s in the other side of the building. Yeah.
Oh yeah, she's
So,
awesome.
410s in that thing, it does not make it very highway worthy.
Not at all, especially when you're trying to pull something.
Yeah, yeah.
Here, got the Trans Am actually, what he was talking about. So the Duramax has been running, it's been idling for a little bit now. We're gonna go ahead and load it on the trailer. Of course, we're gonna ratchet strap around the entire cab so the doors don't fly open while I'm on my way back up north to Michigan. But we thought it would be only fitting to do a big old smoky burnout before we get out of here. Actually, do you have any pavement around here?
We'll just go right in front of the house, man.
Okay, sure.
Sure.
Well, either way, we'll send it. We'll do some fun stuff with it, and then
It's not abnormal for there to be black marks in front of my driveway, so it's cool.
well, I like where you live. There's really nothing out here. So.
Yeah, it's just me and a bunch of farmers, man. It's pretty cool.
It's funny too, because it's like one man's junk is another man's treasure. Even though it's not really junk.
No, not at all. I just didn't know what else to do with it other than just whistling diesel it. So.
Whistle diesel. I love it, man. That's awesome. That's awesome. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get this done. We built transmission and a lift pump. Is that correct?
Yes, it's got a air dog lift pump on it as well.
Very cool.
Yep.
And a DSP-5.
Yep,
So,
DSP-5, 64 mil turbo, the S&B. It's got 4-inch MBRP exhaust. It does have a resonator on it. It's not complete straight pipe. But yeah, it sounds good, runs strong. I mean, I even sent Josh a video before he came down of me actually doing a burnout in it in front of the house. So
that is so awesome. So, yeah, so enough with that. Enough with the truck here, guys. Let's look into the motor. So it is studded. So the first thing that I'm going to look for is this is where it gets awkward with YouTube. You got to prioritize how you say it because they're going to destroy you.
Oh yeah. I'll probably ignore comments for a while.
So, truck hasn't been started. It's been sitting here for a while. I'm going to go ahead and just grab this up here. Just squeeze it, you know, just make sure everything's good to go. Just little things that I like to check before I start the motor. Of course, I want to check the oil. So I always do that. Just flip it over. If you see some milky substance under there, it's okay, guys. Don't freak out. It's not a head gasket. It could be, but
All right, we're gonna walk away from here for just a second and let Truckmaster do his thing. But as you guys can see, Truckmaster is indeed here and purchasing the LB7 truck, which he is going to be pulling the drivetrain out of and putting into another vehicle from what I understand. I'm not sure how soon that one's going to be going down. Not even sure if I should say that yet because I don't think he said anything to any of you guys yet, so this video may not make it onto the channel until after he's made his announcement. But just kind of do a quick overview on his truck here. His truck is pretty mean. It's pretty cool to see in person after seeing all kinds of content on this truck and watching him do his thing on it, and you know, all new rockers and going through where he did the chassis saver everywhere. I mean, this truck looks right. I mean, it's dirty right now, but and, you know, look at my driveway too. You know, we've had snow and a lot of rain and everything here lately, and I'm sure Josh has been in the same circumstance up there in Michigan. I mean, the weather's just not been great around here, but it's that time of year, so can't really do a whole lot about the trucks being dirty. My LLY sitting out there in front of the shop is insanely dirty. between driving it back and forth to work and being on a John Deere lot all day, muddy. It just can't do anything about it. They're going to be dirty. So do your best, keep the salt off of them, and you know, it's about all you can do. But without further ado here, we'll get back to Josh. He's checking out the truck and making sure everything's all tight and right before he throws it on the trailer. What? You don't know anything about Duramaxes? Man, why have I been watching your channel?
That wasn't me, that was my twin.
Ah.
Yeah, my evil twin.
I wish I could get away with that, man. No, this driveway has, like, gotten nasty in the last couple of weeks, man. Good Lord. Be time for some new rock come spring again, even though we just did all of this in the spring. So, yeah. Before last summer, all I had was a straight driveway back and an L right into the shop right there. The rest of this was all just muddy grass nastiness. So it is a lot better than what it was, but the rock got packed down, it's got muddy again, driving heavy truck on it, obviously, it's gonna happen. So we'll put more rock in. Plus, I had electrical failure in the shop in the middle of the winter and had to trench in an entire new line from the main service pole all the way out to the shop. And doing that in the middle of winter, can't really do a whole heck of a lot about this mess here. So, there's another thing that's got to get taken care of when spring hits. So, are we gonna full send this thing or what, man?
We should. We have to, man.
We have to. We have
This
to.
is America, you know. We just,
Yeah. I mean, we're out in the middle of nowhere at my house and my shop. I don't think we got cops to worry about. So, why don't we get around and take this thing out in the road and do a massive burnout of it. Get the hood. Yeah, we probably will. Your truck may have to go forward a little bit to sneak it out.
So, let's go and
Yeah. This is exciting. Truckmaster's gonna run the truck out into the road and we're gonna full send this thing before we load it up on the trailer, guys. Hang on with us. We'll get it right out there to the road and get her done.
I bought this place so my dad could buy it. So I rented a house in the meantime while that one was getting built. When it was done, we moved mom and dad over across the field and then we moved in and so where to live now. This is awesome. Perfect for YouTube videos.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Hold on to the spoke so I wouldn't cut my hand up and might as well crank up that USB 5 up a little bit. Back up so I don't slow the rocks in your truck. Oh, thanks. I think she's good. I think I should title it and plate it and call it a day.
Turn out with the passenger door wide open. That was a lot of fun. Trying to do a burnout in that thing. You're like peering through a little hole in the windshield, that's all you got.
Oh, yeah. Oil pressure's a little low. Right rear door is gone.
I wonder why it shows that. Dude, somehow there's two. This is like a day in the life of Whistling Diesel. Nice. Heck yeah! Dude, we should have called Whistling and got some spacers. Dude, I'm thinking we should have called Whistling and got some spacers.
Man, oh man. Alright, before I break here and blow the motor, let's go ahead and load it.
Alright guys, Truckmaster is loading the truck onto the trailer right now as we speak. Full send has been done. Burnout's done. Most importantly, I've been paid. And you're a little wide over here. Yep. Alright guys, so we've got the truck all loaded up on the trailer for Josh here. He is getting ready to make his lovely 6-hour drive back home to Michigan. And it was a little interesting getting it loaded up, but we got it. Our fancy little strap deal to hold the doors down, so
Sure.
should work, should get you back.
Oh yeah.
So
Thank you.
oh, absolutely, thank you, man.
I don't know you, man. Give me a hug.
It's been an interesting day. You know, nothing like doing a full send and a totaled out Duramax just for fun and loading it up and watching it going away. I'm not gonna lie, I am kind of disappointed that I'm not gonna Whistling Diesel this thing, but it's
Well, I'm not gonna copy his style either, so
right.
I just need the motor.
Yep.
So.
I was simply just gonna do it because I didn't really have anything else to do with it, and then
hang on, I don't want to bring it.
oh yeah, watch out for them lights, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to scratch any of that.
Yeah, that'd be bad. That'd be bad. Yeah, I didn't know what else to do with it. I mean, it's not like I was going to register it again or anything. And
well, if anybody wants a front bumper, this will be on my website for $27.95 plus tax.
Perfect. You buy the bumper, get a free T-shirt.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, well, without further ado, yes, this is where we bid goodbye and send Josh all the way back to Michigan. So, you
this
guys...
may be my truck show. I don't know. Not this, but, you know, the drive line. So. drivetrain. So
Yeah.
we'll see.
Make sure to keep watching his videos. I'm sure there'll be more content coming on this guy for sure. And I'll be jumping into my stuff here pretty quick. Most of mine's going to be on the Trans Am for a while, guys. I know a lot of you guys are watching these channels for the Duramax stuff, but that stuff will be coming. But my main focus right now has got to be getting that Trans Am ready to go for the power tour. That way I can put an awesome video together for all you guys of the power tour. So, and what that whole experience is like. Done it once before, it's awesome. You have the chance to be able to go, got something cool to take, definitely take the time off and go do it. It's an awesome experience. And with that being said, we'll catch you guys later.